In this video, we are going to show you how to close your EIN number with the IRS if your business is a single member LLC or a sole proprietorship. Let's go. Hello from Freedomtax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. And in this video, we're going to show you how to close your business EIN number with the IRS if your business is a single member LLC that files taxes as a sole proprietorship, or if your business is a sole proprietorship, okay? Now, in order to close your business properly, you have to do several steps. You have to file articles of dissolution with the state where your business is registered, and you also have to close your business with the IRS. So you have to close your business at the federal level with the IRS and at the state level in whatever state your business is registered. So with the state, you file articles of dissolution to close the business in the state. Now with the IRS, it depends on what type of business entity you have, all right? Now, if your business, either an Inc. or the LLC, if it files forms, either Form 1120, 1120S, or 1065, you do not have to do the steps I'm gonna show you in this video. Basically, if your business files one of those forms, 1120, 1120S, or 1065 for taxes, in order to close with the IRS, there's a box at the first page of the tax return that you basically check it when you file your final return, and you check the box that says final return. That way, when you send in your final tax return to the IRS knows this is a final return and that they need to close that EIN number of your business. But if your business is a single member LLC or a sole proprietorship that files taxes under Schedule C or Schedule E, or if never filed taxes, but you know that the filing requirement is as a sole proprietorship, then there's no box to check on the final return that says final return. So you have to let the IRS know in a different way that your business is closing and that you want the IRS to close your EIN number. Now, the way to do it is that actually you send a letter to the IRS, okay? And I'm gonna show you exactly what the letter needs to say and where to send it. So let's go. Okay, so this is the letter that you have to write to the IRS. It's very simple, okay? So you just have to put the date on top. Then you have, this is the address that you need to send the letter to. You need to send the letter to Internal Revenue Service, Attention EO Entity, Mail Stop 6273, Ogden, Utah, 84201. That's the address that you're going to send the letter to, all right? And here you're gonna put, in reference of, you put your business name and your business address. And also you put your business EIN number. And you basically write the letter saying, to whom it may concern, I am writing this letter to request the cancellation of my EIN number. You put your EIN number. As of, you put the date that your business closed. In this case, it says, as of March 2024, my business is no longer in activity. Please make the necessary changes to my account. Thanks for your consideration this request. Basically, and then you put your name, you sign, and you send that letter to this address, the address that we showed you on top. That's it. So you send that letter to the IRS, okay? What's going to happen that in around 60 to 90 days, you're gonna get a letter from the IRS. You're gonna get this letter. Basically, the IRS saying that in response to your correspondence, your account has been closed or your EIN number has been canceled. So you have to keep this letter on your records because this is your proof that you did the necessary steps and that you closed your EIN number with the IRS. So there you go. That's how you close your EIN number with the IRS if your business is a single member LLC that is considered as a sole proprietorship for tax purposes. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that you have received valuable information out of it. If yes, like this video, share it with other business owners so they can take advantage of this information. Remember that here at Freedom Tax Accounting, we're a full service accounting firm. We can help you with your personal taxes, business taxes, tax planning, forming new LLCs. We can help you in many, many ways. Okay, so thank you for watching and God bless. Bye-bye.